What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Today, I want to talk to you about the best way to apply your beard oil. Now, we all know that beard oil is actually for the skin underneath our beards. And too often, and I've been guilty of this for years, I put my beard oil in my palm, rub it in my hands, and then rub it in my beard. Well, over the last few years, I've discovered a new and better way to do this. And I'm surprised that I've not yet made a video on it. I realized the other day that I need to tell y'all how to do this. And so step one, start with a good quality beard oil. Today I'm using Artius Man, great quality beard oil. I'll drop a link below with a discount code if you're interested in trying Artius Man. This is the Restoration Scent. Absolutely love that one. Now, step two, we are going to take our desired amount of oil. Put it in our palm. Now here is where things get a little interesting. Rather than rubbing my hands together, I'm gonna go dip the pads of each of my fingers. So I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I then, as you can see, I've got oil running down my fingers. Rub them together with my other set of, and then I take my palms, rub those together. So that's step two. Step three is we're gonna apply this and we're gonna get in there into that skin. And so I take my fingers and just get in there, really rubbing that oil into the skin. Don't forget about your mustache. I'll spend a good 10-20 seconds. It's almost like a face massage. Really just getting in there. I mean, you want to be aggressive with it. Don't be too aggressive. You don't want to rip beard hairs out, but don't forget to get under your chin. Those are the areas where a lot of guys will get beard dandruff or beard drift as it gets colder. Now, I've worked that oil into the skin. Again, I'll do a once more and I just come over the top. Just to give the outer layer of my beard a little bit of protection. I then typically will take a comb and comb it through. This again will help spread the oil on your skin evenly throughout. Now, any excess beard oil, rub it on your knuckles, your arms, your head, whatever you want to do. So guys, that is my number one way to apply beard oil. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. All right, guys. As always, thanks so much for watching. God bless you. We'll talk soon. Take care.